Okay, so this is the second part of the demo. The video got interrupted, so I have to split it in two parts. So this is the second part of the video, and I was showing you the image we just created, and it with a small font. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new size in here, and I will type in here a new text, Helen, and I'm going to remove this generated word and the certificate link, so that we can generate a new with these ingredients. So what it should do, it should not consider the 23 but 44 centimeters 6 inches, and it should not consider this long text or whatever it is. I want to show only the Helen in the variety. And yep, you don't need the company name because this is not a company name. So these three are the certificates which need the company name, which will get automatically highlighted once you will select any of these. Okay, so let me take you back. Okay, so we have created the new certificate, and let's see what is happening. So it should show 44 centimeter and Helen. All right, so you can see it's showing for 44 centimeter. It should not show this one. Okay, so 44 centimeter 6 inches and NAN. So I will ignore this part. And you can see the Helen is there. So we are using the current form. It's trying to convert it into centimeter. I will override that part, so it should not consider. Once we are using any text in here, it should not get converted into centimeter. Okay, so that is it. I think we have updated these manual things, and we are not going to use these manual controls. There is another thing that yeah. So once you will clear everything, clear entries, it will update the formulas of this sheet as well. So you don't need to worry about the formulas. Anytime if you disturb any formula, but you clear the entries and start over, that the formula will get back. Why I'm mentioning this is because maybe you want to make some changes in the formula, but every time you clear the entries, the formula will get cleared, and it will get revert back to the original formula. So you might not be able to affect the formula accordingly. But so if you need any assistance on that, please do let me know. Now you can always click on the certificate and reach to the certificate directly. And if you want to reach to the folder, you can click on this link and click on the reader certificate. This link will take you directly to the all the certificate folder. And yep, I think that's it. Yeah, that is it for today. Okay, so please do let me know if you need any further assistance. I'm looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.